When it comes to choosing a finance mobile app, there's a lot to consider before you make your decision. Trust is one of the most important factors, and today we're diving into 12 things you need to know before buying a finance iPhone app. If you're already thinking about options, you might be wondering how this one stacks up against the competition. Stick around till the end, because we'll break it all down and offer you a better solution to check out. First off, security is the number one priority for any finance app. This app uses top-tier encryption to protect your financial data, ensuring that your transactions and personal details are safe. Compared to other apps that might have questionable security protocols, this one stands strong with a proven track record. Next, let's talk about ease of use. A lot of apps boast complicated interfaces, making it hard to manage your finances efficiently. This app simplifies the process, offering an intuitive interface that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and manage your accounts without the frustration. The third thing to keep in mind is customer support. While many apps provide limited support or make you wait for hours, this one offers quick responses via live chat, ensuring you get the help you need when issues arise. Other apps might leave you in the dark when you need assistance most. Next, we need to discuss compatibility. This app works seamlessly with other platforms like banks, payment services, and even accounting tools. You can sync everything with ease, which can be a game changer compared to apps that don't offer broad integrations. The fifth thing is the features. Beyond the basics, this app includes advanced features like investment tracking, automated savings, and even tax preparation tools. Many competitors only cover basic budgeting and transactions, which means this app gives you much more bang for your buck. The sixth thing to consider is pricing. While some apps charge high monthly fees, this one provides a freemium model, allowing you to access most features without committing to a paid plan. And when you do opt for a premium version, it's competitively priced compared to others in the market. Moving on, the user reviews speak volumes about the app's effectiveness. Many users rave about how it helps them get a clearer picture of their finances, with most giving it a solid 4 or 5 stars. Some competitors struggle to maintain positive reviews, showing this app is clearly doing something right. Now let's look at the customization options. You can personalize everything, from budgeting categories to alerts and notifications. This level of customization is lacking in many alternatives, which often force you into rigid structures that don't fit your personal needs. The eighth thing you should know is the update frequency. This app is regularly updated with new features and improvements, ensuring that you get the latest tools to manage your finances. In comparison, some other apps go long stretches without meaningful updates, leaving users frustrated. The ninth thing is offline functionality. Unlike some apps that require an internet connection to function, this one allows you to view and track your finances offline, making it convenient if you're traveling or have limited connectivity. Another factor to consider is transaction tracking. This app does an excellent job of categorizing your expenses and offering insights, allowing you to make smarter financial decisions. Many apps struggle with accurate categorization, leading to confusion. The 11th thing to note is multi-device support. Whether you're on your iPhone, iPad, or desktop, this app syncs across all devices. This is essential for managing your finances on the go, and it works much better than some competitors that don't offer full cross-device functionality. Lastly, let's touch on transparency. Unlike many apps that hide fees or charge for essential features, this app is upfront about what's free and what costs extra. You won't be hit with hidden charges, unlike some competitors who spring surprises on you later. In conclusion, this finance app is a solid option, offering excellent security, customer support, and valuable features at a competitive price. But if you're looking for something even better, we recommend trying out our top-rated solution for free. You'll get access to all the features you need without any strings attached.